Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today we have a car cell phone mount. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the unboxing, go over the specifications, and then we're going to install it, and then we're going to put it to the test. Before we get started, let's go ahead and look at some information around the box. It gives you some information on how to install the magnetic to your cell phone case or your cell phone. On the side, it has a QR code to register your product. And on the side of the box, it'll let you know it's a one-hand operation and it has 4 metal plates included. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. And let's see what we get inside. All right, so first we're going to have the metal plates, and you can see all the magnet, everything's coming together. Wow, there you go. Look at that, it's all stuck together. All right, so I got the metal plates here. There's 2 rectangular-ish one, curved ends, and there's 2 circled ones. Let's take a closer look. Here's 2 of the plates. And right here is going to be the adhesive to take this off, and you attach that to your cell phone, and then this is the metal piece that's going to go to the magnet. And you got 2 of those right there. Then you got 2 circled ones, same thing. There you go, adhesive. Next, you got these 4 clear plastics. And what these are, they're like stickers really. You put these on your cell phone first, then the metal plate on this. That way this is not sticking to your cell phone. It's sticking to this clear plastic. Next, we have this additional pack. It has 2 wipes to wipe away any dirt that you have before you install the product. Then it has 2 additional adhesives for the mounts themselves. Then you have the mounts themselves. Here you go. It tells you how it goes this side up when you put it on your vehicle. And you can see the slot here for your cables. So that's real neat. And here's where you loosen it up to where you want to affix this to. Once you get a position you like, all you got to do is tighten it up. And of course, you take the adhesive off at this point, pull it off, attach it, but make sure to use your whites. Use this first and then apply it on there. Hold it down for 25 seconds and then leave it on for a few hours before using it. And this is the second one. You get 2 in there. All right, let's go ahead and go over some of the specs for the WIXGEAR Magnetic car mount. And this is right here, it says it's universal mount and it's a 2-pack. And down here pretty much gives you some compatible phones. And you can see pretty much anything with an iPhone or even a Samsung. Let's go ahead and click more. Here we go. All right, so this is pretty much universal. I think a lot of it has to do with the weight of the phones themselves and the length and how tall they are. But let's go ahead and read a little bit. Right here it says it's designed with strong magnets to make sure it serves its purpose, and it comes with 4 plates and 2 3M adhesives. You could rotate this and that way you get the best viewing for your cell phone. And according to this, it's strong and stable. The stick-on magnetic holder will hold securely to your cell phone even with bumps. Oh, there you go. And it solidly holds the magnetic to the car mount. All right. And we go over some of these right here. It says right here you can see where it easily attached to the car itself. And we're going to put this to the test and see this one is on top of the dashboard and you can see how it's leaning. And this right here is you loosen this to where you want, and then once you get adjusted correctly, you tighten it back. Next one here, it gives you all the points. It gives you a lot of points on really where to install this. And it fits on dashboards and on curved surfaces. I guess right here you see those right here, those markings, those are where you could bend it. And this will enable it to curve. All right here it says committed to innovation and practicality. 4 strong magnets, well, we saw that already. And you could actually right here, it could hold your cell phone charger cord if needed. Again, right here, it talks about the magnet itself and also shows that it's more rectangle compared to circle. And it gives you 4 strong magnets right here. And here's an example. I guess it's lifting weights. Here you go. And it gives an example for the cord. And again, talks about how it flips, how it will stay on with sharp turns. steep slopes, speed bumps. All right, and we're going to put this to the test. All right, it just pretty much tells you design to move forward. So this is pretty much all the specifications of this. And again, it's powerful magnets, 30 base, easy swiveling and rotation, 2,3M adhesive, safe and powerful, won't block windshield or air vents. Well, I guess it depends where you mount it. All right, tells you what's included, how to install it. All right, so let's go ahead and install this and put this to the test. All right, so now I'm ready to install the magnet to my cell phone. And I got two choices. I got a circle and I got a large one. I'm going to install the circle. And the reason also I'm choosing the small one is so I can make sure that it also does wireless charging. All right, I'm also getting the plastic ring with it so I could put it on my cell phone case itself. All right, so I'm going to get my cell phone out of the case. I'm going to get the rubber grip out, and that way it goes straight to the case. And when I install it, I'm not going to go all the way down and go between here, somewhere in the middle. Got it here. And like I said, it's just going to be right there in the middle of it. There it is. All right, I got the metal part. Here you go. I got this part. And now I'm going to go straight to the case itself. All right, I'm going to put some pressure on it. So whenever I'm done, I can simply just use this pull tab and pull the whole thing out. All right, that's in. I'm going to put the rubber part back inside my phone case. And then what I'm going to do is put my cell phone back. All right, got my wireless charger. Got my cell phone. And I want to show you one more time that we do have it installed there. You can see it. I'm going to put my phone back. All right, make sure everything's tight there. Now we're ready to put it on the charger. Now remember, it's about right here. So I want to set the phone a little bit more in here on the charging pad. All right, and actually you can see it right there. I'm going to try to move this up a little bit so you can see that. And you can see the wireless charging on there. All right, so we know that part works for sure. Now let's go ahead and test it on the car. Okay, so I'm ready to install the mount. And what I like about this one is that you could actually bend at the indentions, and then that way it could go to a curve. Because on this vehicle is nothing but curves on here. So I already did the wipe and I already did the cloth to clean this. So this is ready now. Now I got to do is just to peel off this tape. And right here it tells you which side is up, to put it this way. And also it's up because this has a cord control in case you have a cord to charge your cell phone. So I'm going to take that out and I'm putting it here. The reason I put it right here is because there's no really other place. I could put it here, but then the steering wheel is going to be in the way. So right here, I don't need this side of the control area. And when I install the cell phone mount here, it's not going to get in the way of the screen. So I got the adhesive out and I got it to the right area that I need to. I mean, the right direction. I'm going to straighten this out here. And remember, when you're done installing it, all you have to do is tighten this knob up. And it'll tighten up this part here. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up first. So when I'm putting pressure, it's not moving around. All right, so here I go. And going to install it right in that area. And I'm going to go ahead and apply pressure to it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it overnight. In the morning, when I go to work, I'll test it on the way there. Let me get you a side view of what it looks like here, because remember, this has a curve to it and you can see the installation where it's on there and it's curved. Maybe this little part is not really attaching, which is fine for me. As long as this part is being attached to the cell phone mount, I'm good. All right, so let's see how it looks tomorrow. So that method didn't work. So I'm not going to try this one. I'm going to put it above the monitor here, and I think this is going to be the best location. I'm just going to put a lot of pressure on it and press it, and then that should do it. All right, so let's put this to the road test and see how it works out. So if you notice, we went through about 4 speed bumps, and you can still see it's pretty good mounted still. It really hasn't even moved at all. So so far this thing is working out great. Goes another speed bump. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to do a little quick turn, and we're going to see exactly how it holds up with the quick turns here. And hopefully my camera stays still. All right, so far so good with that road test there. All right, I'm going to do another quick turn here. So far, so good. I actually like this one. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy, this is the 21 Ultra. So this is a long phone, and it's a little heavy too. So far, this is holding up very well for this phone. I did have it mounted on the bottom, but that didn't work out great. So I mounted on top, and I like it here because it's a little higher and I can see the phone actually as I'm driving. So this is very helpful for me. Here you go, another quick turn. All right, that concludes the road test. So hopefully this answers all your questions that you needed. I did have it installed here, but it didn't really work out. I installed it to this top one, to the top side, and actually this came out a lot better. I like the way it looks. It's higher for me, so I could go ahead when I'm driving. I could see it at the time. So if this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up, because I appreciate that from you. If you are interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I also have dash cam videos, power socket videos, hardwire kits, and other tech gadgets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.